students, welcome to GK class. Today we are going to study chapter number 3, that is Unusual Animals, which is given on page number 7 on your GK books. There is a variety of animals found on the earth. Some of these animals are very strange and show exceptional behavior. In order to survive, they have adapted various features which make them unique. In this chapter, we will learn about various unusual animals. First of all, there is satanic leaf-tailed gecko. The word satanic means devil and the word gecko belongs to family of lizards. The animal shown in this picture here is actually a lizard, but why this is named so? As you can see, its tail looks like a leaf and it almost looks like a devil. That is why it is known as satanic leaf-tailed gecko. It is a rare lizard species and it can only be found on the islands of Madagascar. It has a large flat tail that resembles a leaf. It looks like a decomposing leaf, as you can see. The geckos eat different kinds of insects, flies, worms and spiders. They can eat even large insects because of their big mouth. And an interesting feature about these creatures is that they remain hidden during daytime. During the day, the leaf-tailed geckos are difficult to spot. Why? They tend to hang out in dead leaves, covering themselves with their deceptive tail and sticking their limbs out like twigs. Because they look like a decomposing leaf, therefore they can't be spotted when they are on trees. At night, however, they come alive, actively hunting in the dense rainforest. That's when researchers conduct their surveys. If the researchers want to study these creatures, they can do so only during night time, because during day, these creatures are hidden in order to protect themselves. Next animal is snake caterpillar. Yes, my dear students, this is actually a caterpillar. Animals are so much smarter that they go to all kinds of measures to keep themselves happy and safe. But this caterpillar might just be the most cleverest of all. When it feels at all threatened, its body swells up into the shape of a snake's head, with two huge black markings acting as the snake's eyes. Basically, when they feel safe, they just crawl along, looking normal. But when a predator comes along, they begin to transform. It has a snake-like front. It has an ability to change its color. It is found in Britain and Ireland. This may look like a snake, but actually it is not so. Actually, this is a caterpillar, or we can say, actually this is an animal in disguise. Next animal is leafy sea dragon. As you can see in the diagram, it looks like a seahorse, isn't it? It also resembles seaweed. What is seaweed? It is actually a large algae growing in the sea, a kind of plant. It is a marine lazy fish. Actually, this animal is a fish, but why it is called lazy fish? Because it hardly moves, or it moves very slowly. It is found along the southern and western coast of Australia. It looks like a seahorse, but it is slightly larger than the most seahorses, growing to about 20 to 24 centimeters. It also resembles seaweed, as I already told. Seaweed is large algae growing in the sea. It is able to maintain the illusion when swimming, appearing to move through water like a piece of floating seaweed. Actually, this resemblance with seaweed helps this animal to protect itself from its predators because it can't easily be spotted. Next animal is glass frog. Why it is called so? As you can see, internal organs of this animal are visible through its belly. Its heart, its intestine and other internal organs can be seen easily through its belly. A glass frog is also known as a see-through frog because we can see through its skin because of its translucent skin. Glass frogs are found in Central and South America. Some scientists believe that a glass frog is green in color. Why? So that it is harder for predators to spot it, helping to keep it safe. Although its color is green, but it is translucent. Its skin is translucent. Next animal is blanket octopus. This is an octopus, but why it is called blanket octopus? Because it has got an adaptation that whenever an enemy or a predator comes, it stretches its arms, resulting in a structure like that of a blanket in order to threaten its enemies. An interesting feature of this animal is that it has got 3 hearts, and these 3 hearts perform different functions. The blanket octopus has 3 hearts and a massive brain. The systemic heart is responsible for pumping the blood throughout their body, while the 2 branchial hearts are responsible for pumping the blood through their pair of gills. Because these are aquatic organisms, so they have got a pair of gills in order to breathe in water. It is found in the seabeds of Pacific and Atlantic Oceans. It can change color also. It has an ability to change its color. And one more interesting feature of this animal is that it has a beak like that of a parrot, and it produces poisonous saliva in order to protect itself from its predators. Next animal is worm. Another name of this animal is Proteus. Actually, this is an aquatic salamander. It is also called human fish because of its pinkish color. This animal is completely blind, but it has got extraordinary sense of using chemical and electrical signals in its brain sent by the receptors in its body. The worm or Proteus is an aquatic salamander. It is also known as the human fish for its pale pinkish skin. It is completely blind because it inhabits permanently dark environments. The worm has developed non-visual sensory systems. Even though it is blind, but it can see things with its senses. It can feel things with its other senses, which are non-visual. Highly sensitive chemoreceptors allow worms to detect extremely low concentrations of organic material in the water. Although these animals cannot see, but how do they catch their prey? They have an extraordinary sense of using chemical signals in their brains. That is how they catch their prey. The worm also has the ability to register weak electric fields. They also have a sense of using electrical signals in their brain. Some behavioral experiments suggest that worm may be able to use Earth's magnetic field to orient itself. It means that they can sense Earth's magnetic field in order to move in a specific direction. Next animal is assassin spider. This is a very strange spider. It looks very strange also. It looks like an alien creature. It has got a very long neck in order to support its jaws. And its fangs are very poisonous. Fangs means long sharp teeth. It sticks its fangs into its prey, kill them and eat them. Why it is called assassin spider? Because it can eat even spiders of its own kind. Assassin spiders have a very long neck. The longer the neck, the further the spider can reach to catch its fast prey. These spiders look like alien creatures. However, these modifications do have a purpose to catch and kill other spiders. That is the reason they are known as assassin spiders. They are found in Madagascar, South Africa and Australia. Next animal is hairy crab. You must have seen crab, but this crab looks quite different. It has got hair all around its body. That is why it is called hairy crab. Its hair looks like wings. These strange little crabs range in size from 15 centimeters to under half a centimeter across. The little hair that give them their name are very useful as they eat the little microbes that grow on them. Actually, the microorganisms that grow on their hair, they eat those microbes. They live 26 meters below the surface of water. They are color blind. They can't see colors and spend their whole life in the darkness. Isn't it strange? Let's do some exercises now. You must be able to answer all these questions now. First, it is completely blind. It has an extraordinary sense of using chemical and electrical signals in its brain sent by the receptors in its body. Yes, which animal is this? It is an aquatic salamander. What is the name of this animal? Olm. O-L-M. Right? Next, this strange animal has a snake-like front. This is very easy. It has ability to change colors. It is found in Britain and Ireland. Yes. Which animal is this? This is a snake caterpillar. Okay, next question. It has 3 hearts and a beak like parrot. It produces poisonous saliva. It also has ability to change color and it is found on the seabed. Yes, this is very easy. Which animal is this? This is a blanket octopus, right? Next question, fourth. This lazy fish is found in Australia. It looks like a seaweed. Yes. Tell me which animal is this? Yes, this is leafy sea dragon. Next question. Question number 5. It looks like a decaying or decomposing leaf and it is found in the Madagascar. This is very easy. This is satanic leaf-tailed gecko, right? Next question. It has a very long neck that supports its jaws having poisonous fang. This is very easy. We have just done this now only. What is this? This is assassin spider. Next question. This animal has transparent skin, so we can see its intestine, heart and liver clearly. It is found in America. Yes, which animal is this? Yes, this is glass frog, right? Next question. It has hair that look like wings. It is colorblind and spends whole life in darkness. Which animal is this? This is hairy crab, right? Students, match your answers with the answers given here and note them down on your books in neat and clean handwriting. Thank you.